Alpha runway 28, under 2366. Right.
What's up, YouTube? This is Kaladin here, back again.
German
Right now I'm in
8866, request the
737-700,
direct
also
Oscar.
KLM 1932. We are on the ground at Geneva in Switzerland, and we're doing the short flight from Geneva to EHAM.
German Sky 86.
Swiss radar is on right now, and we're gonna have some ATC on our way out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight, guys. Thanks.
German Sky 886, negative for the moment, please continue on as filed. Roger, German Sky 86.
And Swiss radar, KLM 1932, we have the weather at Geneva, and we're ready to copy our IFR clearance into Amsterdam.
KLM 1924, radar, good evening. Clear to 234, runway 23, DPR5, Alpha departure, squawk 6762.
Clear to Amsterdam via runway 23. Did not get the departure in squawk 6762 for KLM 1932.
KLM 1924, DPR5, Alpha departure.
The DIPIR 5 Alpha departure for KLM 1932. And Swiss radar, KLM 1932, we are ready for push and start.
KLM 1932, thank you, that's quality and after push and start up pushback facing north.
Push and start approved, pushback facing north, KLM 1932.
Ground, cockpit.
Go ahead, Captain.
We're all set to go up here. We've been cleared to push and start at your discretion.
Right to that, ready for push. Power and air are clear, doors closed. We are ready for pushback. Release parking brake, please.
Okay, parking brake is off, cleared to push.
Brakes off, here we go.
Temple 5 X-ray, thank you, GNH 1013. The wind now 200 degrees, 6 knots, 21 knots, 23, cleared to land. Radar clear to land on the G305 X-ray. 913 copies.
Swiss radar, KLM 1932, ready to taxi.
KLM 1932, taxi holding point 123 via inner link 5 and Alpha.
Inner link 5, then Alpha, KLM 1932. Actually, Swiss radar, can KLM 1932 get outer Alpha?
KLM 1932, yes, you may take 2 outer than Alpha.
Outer than Alpha, KLM 1932.
Serbia 374,
Swiss radar, good evening, Lufthansa 992, inbound Ebini, descending flight level 160 to reach level Ebini.
Lufthansa 909.
Cleared redux 4 Alpha, runway 28.
And there's Serbia 374, flight level 140.
KLM 4 runway vacated, request taxi.
KLM 45 X-ray, welcome to Geneva, taxi to and 12 via link 5 and the inner. KLM 1932, the winds to 8, correction 290 degrees, 10 knots, 21 knots, runway 23, get takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 23, KLM 1932.
Control taxi complete, thank you for the guy.
V1.
Rotate. V2.
45 X-ray, thanks for the flight, all teams.
Plus radar, KLM 1932, leaving 4,300 for flight level 190.
KLM 1932, identify 4,500, climb flight level 20.
Climb, maintain flight level 200, KLM 1932.
Victor, Whiskey, flight level 120.
Ist du Forster Seite? Schönen guten Abend. 1932, Paris Control Frequency 128.10. Bye bye.
128.10, KLM 1932. Good evening, radar, KLM 1932, passing flight level 166 for flight level 200.
KLM 1932, bonsoir, transfer to level 300.
Climb, maintain flight level 300, KLM 1932.
Maintain level 100.
Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. We just got clearance to climb our cruise level, which is flight level 300. I might post the arrival, might not, depending on whether or not there will be ATC there.
For the passing information, 3
So,
miles,
thanks for joining me on
right,
this
clear,
quick flight.
1000 feet above,
Please like,
maintain
share,
level
subscribe to the video.
100.
Bullseye.